Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. As I've clearly explained you that the gold price now trading at a level of $3650. It has already made a new high of around 3675. Okay. Understand that the gold now, after making continuous upside for around, you can say, 10 days, we have seen the price has took a pause, and if you look at this particular trend, we have seen a hammer is forming. Okay, a red hammer is forming. So we can, if you look at this particular trend, there can be a probability that if the price started going below a level of 3624, we can see a further fall. But you have to understand that the trend has changed, so we can see this particular candle can be green. Okay, there is a probability, because if you look at this overall trend, we have seen this particular hammer has formed, after that a green candle is forming. And if you look at other also, you can see that we have seen, if you find any hammer, you can see this is the particular hammer. We have seen a trend has changed. Okay, this is the green hammer what we have seen, but there is a change after certain period of time. Okay, so you have to understand, keep trailing your SL, whether, see, this is the hammer, so we should expect a change in the trend, but it didn't change. The change happened at this particular level. So okay, so you always try to understand, you can trail your SL. Okay, when, see, now the change in the trend, there is a change in the trend, and there is a probability that if the price keep moving above a level of 3647, there can be a further upside can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart. What we have seen, suppose if the price sustain above this level, and if it keep moving above a level of 3647, we can see there can be a further upside. So remember this particular level. Okay, but if it's fall, then the next support coming at 3626, this is a support too. You have to understand that particular support. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen towards 3616. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall can be seen towards 3600. These four levels you have to understand, and once started falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards $3582. Okay, so if the price keep moving above this particular, see, after a level of what it is trading now, if it started falling below this level, then we can see there can be a downside. But if it keep moving above this level, a further upside can be seen, and it can make a new high also. There is a higher chances. So you have to understand that if fall below this level, these are the levels it can fall, and this is the support 4. Okay, this is the support 2, and this is the support 3. Okay, so, and then if the price fall below that level, a further downfall can be seen. So you have to understand that this level, from there a bounce back can be seen, but if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen toward 35, 40, $63. Okay, and then a further fall can be there. But suppose, see, market is uncertain, so you have to understand trailing your SL is very important. Okay, and whenever you start a trail, keep your SL, because see, it will save your capital. Because see, if you're not trailing your SL or putting your SL, then the market is uncertain. Okay, and once you move into a trap of losing, then you can lose the capital. So you always try to put your SL. Now see, what we have seen, this particular pattern is supporting this bigger trend, as well as this smaller trend supporting an clear U pattern is forming. So if it keep moving over a level of this particular level, it can touch today's half around $3656. And if the price keep moving off this level, probability is high, we can see it can touch a level of 3675. Understand something, that it has formed a hammer. Okay, so we can see there can be a change in the trend. This is very important, that you have to understand that there can be a chances that it can move further down, because whenever it makes a new high, this is very important that it falls. Okay, so this can be a point where we can see the price can fall, or we can see if it started going upside, we can see it fall, it can fall afterwards. So 3647, keep that in mind. If it started keep moving below this level, a further fall can be seen. If it keep moving above this level, a further upside can be seen. So if it started going above this level, it can touch today's high, and then from there we can see it can touch its all-time half around $3676. And if the price moving above this level, it can touch a level of 3700. So best you can do, you can trail your SL by $15 to $20. Okay, and if the price moving above this level, it can touch a level of 3720, then to a level of $3750, and then it can move towards a level of 3780. So best trail your SL by $15 to $20 so you capture big movement towards upside. But if it started falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around 36.26, and if the price moving below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards 36.19. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can go further low, and then after that it can touch a level of $36.01, and then a further downfall can be seen. Okay, remember these are the points that you have to understand. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.